Welcome back, everybody. Oh my God. Today, I'm playing KEYCAP. Yeah. I haven't recorded in a long time. Post a random video, view count back up, and start farming up keycaps. I've already gotten a pretty good one. I just started playing. I have a lot of keycaps, and I don't know what to do with them. Oh. Best. Okay. Ooh.
Why are you?
Okay, I made some decent money off of that. Yeah, I just decided to play this game. I haven't done it in like what, a couple of weeks. I don't know when the next time I'll actually be posting like a huge video. Stay tuned for when I do post a KEYCAP, so it can get pretty expensive. How much is tree birth? 100. Doesn't seem very worth it. Might even try to find a way to bring KC into it. KC in. It'll probably be sometime whenever he's free.
They put a fucking boy.
But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. And peace.